Hey Liam, what do you want to eat?
Mommy, I want to eat Taho with Sago.
Okay, let's ask Grandpa D if they have it.
Hey Grandpa, can you please make me some Taho with Sago?
Sure, anything for you.
Grandpa D, why don't we make it together?
That's a good idea. Let's do it. To cook our sago, we bring to a boil about 5 cups of water. Be sure the water is already boiling before you put in the tapioca pearls, about 1 cup. Boil it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour with constant stirring to prevent the pearls from sticking. You may adjust the amount of water and cooking time as needed. Sago is done when they are transparent. Then we set it aside. For our sugar syrup, we will be using old-style panucha instead of brown sugar and vanilla to get that authentic arnibal flavor. We will dissolve half cup of shaved panucha with 1/2 cup of water on low heat. Keep stirring until you get that syrup-like consistency. Drizzle the cooked sago with arnibal to add caramel flavor to the tapioca pearls. Taho is best served warm, so heat up the extra soft tofu in the microwave for a couple of minutes. Store-bought silken tofu look and taste pretty much like made from scratch tofu. It saves you a lot of time and effort too. It's a good buy.
Grandpa, how can I help to make the Taho?
Okay, watch me. You take a couple of scoops with the taho and put it in a bowl. Your turn. You scoop the warm tofu into the bowl. Can you do that?
Sure I can.
Okay. Now you get some sago and put it on top, okay? Like that. Okay, your turn. Good job, Liam. Now we put the syrup, the sugar syrup on top, like that. Just a little bit. Okay, your turn. Okay, this should be enough. Put it down. Okay, and then I'll make another scoop. Another layer. Like that. Okay. And one more. That's good. Okay. Now it's the sago. Again. Again. Okay. Should be enough. And then I put the syrup. Okay, Okay. Okay. Good. Our taho with sago is done.
It's tasting time! Ito na pa kayo. Kainan na! If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thank you for watching! See you next time!